Welcome to a world where connectivity is king, and your Wi-Fi experience is nothing short of exceptional. Are you tired of the endless struggle with Wi-Fi issues? Introducing System360, your ultimate Wi-Fi solution. We understand the challenges you face: slow internet, dead zones, and constant disconnections. But worry not, because System360 has your back. Do you find yourself staring at that never-ending loading symbol? Slow internet can be a productivity killer. With System360's advanced optimization algorithms, say goodbye to lag and hello to lightning-fast speed. Ever wondered why certain corners of your home or office feel like Wi-Fi black holes? System360 blankets your space with a seamless network, eliminating dead zones and ensuring a strong signal everywhere you go. Sick of dropped video calls and interrupted online gaming sessions? System360's intelligent connection management keeps you online, uninterrupted. Say farewell to those frustrating disconnects. But what makes System360 the ultimate Wi-Fi solution? Let's take a look at its incredible features. With System360's adaptive mesh technology, your Wi-Fi adapts to your usage patterns. It creates a self-optimizing mesh network, ensuring every corner of your space enjoys a robust and stable connection. No more manual toggling between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. System360's smart band steering automatically allocates devices to the optimal band, maximizing performance and minimizing interference. AI-driven traffic prioritization ensures that your important activities, like video streaming or online gaming, get the bandwidth they deserve, guaranteeing a smooth and seamless experience. Experience the power of System360, your all-in-one Wi-Fi solution. Say goodbye to Wi-Fi headaches and hello to a world of seamless connectivity. Upgrade your Wi-Fi experience today.